Alright, here we have the old mower. It needs a new tyre. Went over some sharp rock or something on the old ones and it really punctured everything. So yeah, time to get the new one in. So first you find out, I believe this is the outside, as seems to be a little more pronounced. So that would be the outside tyre, goes on this way. So let's get started and I'll show you how I do it. Alright, so I've taken some Vaseline petroleum jelly, rubbed it all the way around. There we go. And the inside of the tyre. So she slips nicely. It's into place, it's what we need. There we go. Now the next bit's a two-handed job, but we're going to see if we can press it on. Alright, so that pressed on a lot easier than I thought. I had to barely apply any pressure. So yeah, the next step is to put the the inner tube in and make sure the little the valve where you pump air in goes to the right spot. So let's sort of note where it is. Yep, about there. Okay, so let's get this one out. There's that elastic band on her. Alright, here we go. So yeah, you got to take the valve little cover off, otherwise it's not going to go through. And spread her out. And now we got to put this inside there. So bear with me, it's a bit of a two-handed job. Alright, so it's a little fiddly, so what I did is you just got to sort of expand it out, fold it in, maneuver it so you get to that point there, and I poke the valve through. So the next step is to get some more Vaseline and put it on this side here. So that way this one wants to slide over the lip. So it shouldn't need much force, just like the other side. Although it might be different because it's not, you know, convex versus concave situation. So yeah. Alright, so let's see. Couple screwdrivers. Not really the perfect pry bar, but it's what I got. So do that one there. Alright, so what I did is put a screwdriver there to stop it slipping, pressed with my knee here, and then used this one to just pry and pry. Once I do it twice, it pops into place nice and easy. So now, just let things settle a little bit by moving the tyre, and then it's time to pump it up. Alright, so here we are. Got this nice and pumped up. So yeah, we're sitting on 20 psi, so I probably got some Vaseline over the lens, but yeah, all is well. Alright, put our little cap on, and yeah. Alright, hopefully that was helpful for you guys. So that way you don't have to actually take the rim off, because it might be stuck or whatnot. I just used the car jack to raise it up a little bit. So yeah, anyways, hope that was helpful for people. I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers.